Investing, students and young professionals. A simple step-by-step guide to stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, IRAs, and personal funded pension annuities. An educational edition for high school students, college students, and young professionals. This book can be purchased on all platforms, Amazon, Audible, and Kindle, or go to learninvestingbasics.com. Most people didn't learn investing in school. I know I didn't. But investing is one of the most important skills for building financial independence. This book was designed to give you a clear definition, practical steps, and real-life examples you can use immediately. You will learn what a stock is, what mutual funds and ETFs are, how an IRA works, and how annuities can be used to build a personal funded pension for future guaranteed lifetime income. You'll also learn about risk, fees, scams, and habits that separate successful investors from everyone else. How to use this book? Read one chapter at a time. Take notes and complete the action steps. Investing is not about being perfect. It's about getting started, staying consistent, and thinking long term.